Hi, this is Yosuke Sakurai, and this is the individual presentation for Sprint 1 and 2. As a user, I want to generate meeting times from team members' available time slots so that I can see a list of preferred meeting times. So this picture is showing the flow of generating meeting time options. First, there is a team member list, and team member list is it generate the next generate permutation list based on the team member list, and after this, it's going to for loop, and there's a member list. And each member list and generate meeting time list and append to generate meeting list and it loops till the end. After this, it goes to the clean generate meeting list. So there's a duplicate time slots, so it's going to remove those duplicate one. And once clean the list, it goes to clean generate meeting time. So this is if two time slots A and B. A is for example 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. and B is 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. So if A and B can, in this case, time slots B and time slots A overlaps time slots B, so it remove the time slots B and only stores the time slots A. So just like this, clean up the generate meeting times. And after this, it's going to round up times to the nearest 00 or 30 or 50, 10 or 5 minutes. Depends on how big the slots is. So if the slots can shift more than 30 minutes, it's going to 00 30 minutes. If the slots cannot afford the shift time, it's going to just 5, or depends on slots length. It may not round up happen. And after the roundup, finally it's going to store to the generate meeting time options, and user can vote those. So this is the algorithm to find overlapping interval. So there is only 5 cases. The case 1, start time of B and end time of A is overlapping, and case 2, start time of A and end time B is overlapping, so it's going to store those. And case 3 is start time of A and end time of A is overlapping, and so on. So the complexity of finding the interval is gonna be O(n)(2), because I used just simply nested for loop. Yeah. Next, as a user, I want to see a list of meeting time options so that I can vote my preferred meeting time. So we use a Django architecture, which is different from MVC architecture. This is a MBT. The difference is the template or controller. So there's a model, view, and template. Yeah, and the model reflects a database, and if there's a user input, it goes to the view, and view updates the template and display the data on template, and also depends on the user input, it creates, updates, or delete model database through the model. So this is MBT architecture, and yeah, I used this one. So if every team member submits the availability, it's going to generate meeting times, as I showed before slides, and generate meeting time, and it goes to the model database. It updates the database to model, and also updates the template. And as a user, I want to vote my preferred meeting time so that team can decide the meeting time that has more votes. So this is the use case diagram for voting system. So first, user can only create a project, and after creating project, user can create meeting, and also after creating meeting, user can add available times, and yeah, like this. And every team member submits the available times, it automatically generates meeting times options. Like I showed the before slides, it calls the function generate meeting time options, and generating meeting time based on the input of team members' available time. And so it displays the meeting time options, and user can vote. Yeah, finally user can vote on those, and it saves to the database through model. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for the my achievement for sprint 1 and 2. Thank you.